and I had progressively gotten worse, my bone density. Everything had moved into the osteoporosis category.
I got diagnosed with severe osteoporosis right off the bat. The first time I got tested, it was already in the severe mode.
They wanted to move me to an experimental infusion because that one wasn't working. And instead of getting better or even staying the same, I was getting worse over 10 years.
And one day I was just flipping through Facebook and saw an ad for OsteoStrong.
When I walked in the door, everything was consistent with what I had read about it.
I discovered true increase in my strength.
Everything had moved out of the osteoporosis phase and into osteopenia.
I just think this is amazing.
My bone density is up 5%.
I have had a 7 to 9% increase in my bone density.
Thanks to OsteoStrong, I no longer have osteoporosis or osteopenia.
I no longer take Forteo thanks to OsteoStrong.
OsteoStrong is not fluff.
Getting older
does not mean getting weaker.
Stay strong with OsteoStrong.